Hi stylers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Renee and today we are at Fontana. Now head upstairs, that's the first place I normally go where the home decor pieces are, and I'm here to check out what new decor pieces they have for spring. So from cushions to vase, organizers, let's see what they have in store for spring here at Fontana. Now anything you would need for to decorate your space, such as this white and gold vase for 1,850, you're looking at 11 US dollars. You can get it here. So if you need some modern items like this wooden one with the glass top, you can get this one for like 21 US dollar. You're looking at 3,399 Jamaican dollars. Gold, blue, any color you're looking for, you can get it here. Any type of decor piece you need for the modern space, you can get it as well at Fontana. So I like coming to Fontana just to get an idea of what they have in store for us here in Jamaica when we're decorating. If you're looking for some small vase with pattern, they have so many here to choose from, and they have their cushions as well if you want to add some colors, like that green one for 3,099. These two vases as well, 11,399 and 9,850. This leaf cushion here you can get for $4,099, and this vase here 19,599. You're looking at 126 US dollars. So as you can see here, they have so many decor pieces for your space. Look at this candle holder here, 20,899, 134 US dollar. And if you're looking for kitchenware as well, they have a lot in stock. I'm not going to go by that section today, but this pot set here is 23,999. Over here they have this travel bag that you can get your cutting board, your knife, plates and spoon. 20,999. This bag would be great for a picnic, camping, so you have everything on the go. As you can see, the store is well stocked for spring, and you can get your spring colors as well. So if you need your pastel colors, neutral colors, let me know if you're a person that decorate for spring. Let me know if you change cushions or so, because you don't have to go all out for spring. You can just change the cushion, you can change curtain. These are great ways to change the look of your space. So come on over to Fontana, and that's one easy way that you can use to make your space look a bit different. Look at these colors here. These are saying spring, and these also can go into summer as well, like this blue one here, $3,200. So if you're a person that wants to decorate with little blue and white, green, yellow, if you want some neutral colors, as you can see, you can get it all here. And they have more vase here, so any color scheme you're working with, you can get vase to match it as well. So your yellow vase, white vase, orange vase, blue vase. Come on over to Fontana and check them out. Over here they have some picture frames. They have other different decor pieces like your candle holders, your candle stands, and they have them in small and large. You can get small flower pots, you can get your lantern. They have so different glass decor pieces that you can get, and they have a whole section with artwork, so you cannot leave the wall empty. I shared a video already where you can use different ways to make your wall filled and not looking empty. Mirrors, wall arts, those are some great ways. So if you're looking for some mirror, these are also some great stuff to make your space look bigger, because mirror reflects light and it bounces light. If you need clock, you can always get that here at Fontana. They have all different size and style clocks and curtains and decorative balls. I'm just doing a quick run through because I know you guys will just want to see a little of everything. If you need towel, curtains, bed sheet, quilt, they have a wide variety of colors here, not to mention great storage items and organizational items. So if you're looking for shelves, if you're looking for some organizers for your kitchen, as you see here, you can get it all here. So they have these small organizers here that you can get for $5.25. These are great to organize your drawers, such as your bedside drawers, kitchen drawers, whatever you need it for. They have these little trays that you can use in your refrigerator as well, and you can also get all type of organization here for your fridge and your cupboard. Up here you can see they have these cabinet risers for $2,350 for one. So some of these prices, you know, Fontana can be a little bit pricey, but at the end of the day you're getting quality as well. But you can come on and check them out. Over here you can get your clothing folding racks. You can get them in different size, so you know if rain falling outside and you just want to put it on your balcony, you can get it as well. And for persons with small space and not allowed to hang clothes outside, these are a great way to just put some little small stuff and just let they dry on your balcony, your patio, or inside in your home somewhere. So these are great folding racks that you can purchase as well. Over here they have some stuffed toy. You can get the teddy bears different size, so if you need some toys for the children, they have a whole section here for the children. And at the time of shopping they had Valentine's Day prepping, so you guys would have seen that they have Valentine's Day if you have visited. If not, it's a great place where you can get your seasonal items as well. So they always decorate for different seasons. They had these decorative water cups here, or juice cup, whatever you want it for. These are nice pattern cups that you can get. It's a bit pricey though on my part, but these are some nice colorful cups if you're a person that loves colors. Over this section you can get your lamps and lanterns. So like these here, they have these with the wood finish and white. You can get the lamp base as well. So if you're looking for blue, if you're looking for white, you can always purchase these blue and white as well. Look at this purplish holographic one. Wow. You can always come and check out their lamp section here if you're a person that needs some bedside lamps. Over this section they have some chargers or decorative plates, whatever you call them, or trays. You can always get that to decorate your space, and as I said, they all have different type of colors. So if you want them for spring, if you want it to go back into summer, they have neutral colors as well. So you can get your white, your black, plain colors, pattern colors. They have so many different types. Those flower pots as well, you can get in different colors. They have other types of chargers here that you can use to decorate a table or other areas. These are great for events as well, and they are also advertising Jamaican items. You know your girl love a candle, and I cannot come to Fontana and not check out their candle section. You guys need to come and check out their candle section and their skincare section. There are some nice oils and lotions and some shower gels here that you guys need to come and check out. If you want essential oil, wow, look at these decorative clocks. Wow, aren't these beautiful? And the price is only $7,200. The price here is not bad for this clock. Over here they have some trays as well that are made in Jamaica, and look at these flowers here. So you know these are great ways to make your space look beautiful. So adding some flowers and some trays into your space is a great way to make your space look and feel beautiful. These are some positive quotes that you can put into your home as well. So there are so many stuff here at Fontana that you guys can come on and check out. So they have flowers as well, as you can see, and they have these type of books, these journals that you can use. So there are so many stuff here, guys. Come on over to Fontana. This is just a quick video of what they have for spring, and I'm going to head on upstairs back where they have their candy craze section. This is a section in Fontana where you can get like your ice cream and candies. So you can get different flavor ice cream with different toppings as well. So this is a whole section that you guys can come on and take the children so that they can get some ice cream with some sweet treats on it, and just a great way to give them a nice sweet. You can get your waffle cone and everything sweets here. So this section you guys can check out when you visit Fontana the next time, just in case you didn't know that they have a candy craze inside. So that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, please comment down below. Thank you again for watching.